that like ASMR kind of stuff right there. Welcome back, you guys, to today's video. We're going to be testing out this bad boy today. I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it. You guys get to see a first impressions. This was actually something you guys wanted to see when we spoke about this in my will I buy it or not kind of a video, which I will link right here if you guys haven't seen it. I only picked up one shade. I picked up the shade Black on Black. There were quite a few different colors to choose from. I personally just wasn't interested in any of the other colors, but the more that I've seen people playing around with the colors, the more I'm like, oh. The other day I was watching, I think it's Rachel Love's video, and she was testing it out, and she tested out a purple one, and it just looked stunning on her, and I was like, maybe I do want another one. I will say that I was super suckered into this mascara because it is a volumizing mascara, and the moment that Kathleen Light said this is a volumizing mascara, I was like, sold. I'm done rambling. I keep rambling way too much. I don't know why, but the packaging is just standard. It's pretty. I like it. It's just white with black. I assume the other ones would be like, if you were to get the blue one, it'd be blue, or if you get the purple, it'd be purple as well. I can't be 100% sure, but I would assume that's how it worked. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm just using my Tarte eyelash curler. This is the limited edition one. In my Ulta haul, I mentioned to you guys that I picked up this eyelash curler because I needed one, and I used another one from Tarte a long time ago and I really loved it, and I'm not a fan of this one. This one pinches me quite a bit. Like every time I go like this, I have to be really careful. So this is just a little sneak peek. When I do my Ulta haul, you guys will know if you're watching this that I wasn't too impressed with this one. So here is the wand. It is just a standard, very voluminous wand. I think I read a few comments saying that it was supposed to be a little bit similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I'm going to open this one up because I want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. Here is the wands side-by-side. I mean, they're almost identical. I would definitely say that the Too Faced may just be fatter at the base and a little bit shorter, but I mean, that's pretty close, right? Okay, let's apply this. Okay, so here is a side-by-side comparison. My lashes are very short, so just an FYI, I don't know if I'm the best candidate for a mascara review, but I'm sorry. It does separate it, but it's definitely more volumizing than anything. It definitely feels like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, everything about it. I mean, I couldn't tell you if I put the Too Faced on this side and this side, I wouldn't know the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and recurl this really quickly though. You know how you have like one good brow and one bad brow? I have one good set of lashes and one really crappy set of lashes also. This is the side. This side never cooperates. This side, perfectly fine. So there is one coat on each lash. Again, I think it looks pretty. Yes, my lashes are falling, but this is very normal for my lashes. I'm going to try to put on one more coat and see how, if it picks up. We have two full coats on the top lashes right now, and I could definitely tell you that the first coat was great, but it wasn't as black as the second coat. But the only problem with the second coat is that normally I like to work with one eye, then I go to the other, let this one dry, and then come back. This is definitely a formula that's more on the dry side, so you actually have to work pretty quickly with this formula. Like by the time I got done like putting on just like one or two strokes, I could definitely feel it starting to dry up. So that could be a problem though, because I could see that being an issue for the actual product itself going pretty quickly. If you were looking for a Too Faced dupe, I think this might be a good Too Faced dupe. I'm going to go ahead and try my lower lashes. Bottom lashes are done. The one is really big and fat for my bottom lashes, so I always tend to get a little bit of mascara like on the outer corners, which I'll just clean up in a little bit. But FYI, when I do this, don't be concerned. I do this very lightly, just enough to get just a little bit of pressure to push them back up. I will say that. That is a very, very fast drying formula. Probably one of the fastest drying formulas I've worked with. But there is two coats. We got a coat on the top, coat on the bottom. well, 2 coats of each. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I did curl my lash just a little bit so you guys could see what my lashes look like. I like it, you guys. It is very, very, very reminiscent of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I mean, like, very close. I would say maybe the Too Faced formula is just a little bit less drying than that one, but if you don't like very runny formulas, like I personally don't because I find them to be very gloopy, I'm a huge fan of the Too Faced mascara, so I feel like this is something I would definitely repurchase again. It is right up my alley on the mascaras that I like. It is fat and fluffy. It's going to give me volume, and I prefer more volume than I do lengthening, so yeah, I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. Anyways, that is my review. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are planning to pick this up mascara up, let me know in the comments below, or let me know if you guys are planning to pick up this one or maybe a different color. I think that I really want to try the purple one now that I saw other people try it, but I don't know. I think I would. Make sure to subscribe before you guys head out if you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to also hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 6 p.m., you guys are notified and you guys are aware. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.